This is a torch. Now, as you can see, the torch can only see a certain radius. Now, I had an idea. If you look, if I move the torch back and forth like this, can you see you can see a wider radius? So my thought is, if I rotate this torch at a certain speed, I may be able to widen the torch's radius. Everything is connected and ready for the experiment. Now the torch is hot glued to a sprocket, and the sprocket is holding on to the motor shaft. The motor spins at a very high RPM, so let's hope it achieves a great result. Now the motor is connected to a speed controller, a brush speed controller that operates at 12 volts. It's powered by 11.1 volt lithium polymer battery, and it's also connected to a receiver. The receiver receives the signal from the remote. Now let me demonstrate how it will work. So if I switch it on like that, and then I switch on the remote, right? The remote is on. Now if I give it some throttle, as you can see, it spins. Now before I turn the motor, I'm gonna switch on the torch. So now the torch is on. Now I'm gonna accelerate like this. Just like this. As you can see, it's spinning nicely. Now let's hope I get a good result at night. Slowing down. Just like that. Let's hope it works. Now I'm going to go and test it at night, and I'm hoping that it achieves a very great result. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. Everyone, if you like the scooter and you want to see more videos of the scooter, well, you in luck, because I'm going to be making future videos about it. For example, I'm planning to make a DIY turbo system for this DIY electric scooter, and I'm going to make it semi-remote control, and it's going to have a cruise control. I hope you watch those future videos. Thank you.